Hi guys, this is a video on Windows software. This time I'm comparing three antiviruses: AVG, Avira Antivirus and Avast. I'm going to try and get through these as quickly as possible because, as with most of my videos, they end up being longer than 10 minutes, which I'm limited to. So here we have the most popular software from download.com. AVG is the most popular, number 2, Avast number 5, and Avira at number 15. There's a website called AV Comparatives. Basically they test a computer, fill it full of viruses, and do a load of tests on it with different scanners, and some of them are free scanners. So the last test was done August 2007, next one's due later this month. You can download a report. Basically it comes as a PDF. Page 6 is the most important, where it says the total detection rates. Avira Antivirus, which is the least popular one, gets the most here, most detection rates. AVG comes in 6th and Avast comes in 11th. Okay, so I have 3 stopwatches here, flash stopwatches from online.stopwatch.com, so we can time how long it takes to do a virus scan on this virtual machine. This is not my machine because some of them ask you to restart, Avast in particular. So we're going to time each one. We're going to see what the memory usage is on each one, when it's scanning and when it's idle, and then you can take your pick from that. So we'll start with AVG. I'm going to be as quickly as possible when I install it. Next, accept. Now we're going to run an update for it. May not do this for Avast because I tried it and we went over 10 minutes on on the video that I did previously because it wanted to restart and then sort its stuff out. So with these you don't actually have to restart. Also with AVG and Avast, you have to register on their website, I think, to continue to use the software. So here we go, we're installed. But with Antivirus you don't have to. Here we go, red light is an error state, so next, check for updates, internet. Hopefully it will do this very quickly. As you can see, it's downloading and updating. It's got a resume here. And eventually, come on. I'll spare you the amazing thing of watching it scan my complete hard drive here. So I'll pause the video while it's scanning on each of the antivirus editions. So there we go, update's done. Low priority. Virus is found. Scan the computer now. So scan it, press start. So the stopwatch is now going and it's now scanning. So we now want to check for the resource usage, and we're looking for AVG. So AVG, there's 5 processors here. One's using 53 megabytes, one's using 1, one's using 1.7, one's using less than 1, and one's using half of 1. So this is going to scan. I'm going to time it and stop it, and I'll be back in a bit. Hey guys, we're back. It's finished and it scanned 11111 objects and it took 6 minutes and 28 seconds. So we're going to close this and close the test result. See, it's asking to register. After registration you have full access to the free discussion and the actual source of Azure. So it's just saying if you want to have support on it, then register. Okay, so now the computer is idle, it's running in the corner. We're going to find out how much it's taking in resources. It is taking, got 4 processors here, 0.8 meg, 0.8 meg, 1.6 meg and 1.0 for each of them. So I'll add that up and I'll put it in the video description. I'm now going to uninstall AVG and we're going to install Avira. So I'll be back in a tick. Okay, we're back and the computer's restarted and we're now going to start Avira Antivirus install. Call it what you like, I'll call it Antivirus. We've got the stopwatch, we're on the second stopwatch. That's been reset. Next, next, accept, next, accept, next, generate, next, complete, next. And it will start an update. Eventually, your computer antivirus is turned off, so eventually turn it on. Thank you. Finish, start an update. Hopefully this will be done as quickly as possible. Go away security center. As you can see, it's checking the file versions. This doesn't ask you to register like AVG has, but you do get this irritating pop-up every time it updates, but it doesn't update every day. It updates frequently, but not every day. So I think that's the one disadvantage of anti-VIR is the little pop-up. So eventually we will have this, so it's finished downloading and updated, and then we will start a scan and see how much resources it's taking, and we will time it as well. So here it is stopping applications. Stopping files. Usually it does it in the corner in like a smaller box while you're working, so you don't have to watch it do it like this. So we've now finished. I would now like to start a scan. So we're in the control center scan system now, pressing start on here, and here we go, it's starting the scan. So we're then going to look at the resource usage, and we're at 20% already on the scan. And we're looking for AV. AV center has taken 6 meg, AV GNT has taken 2, AV guard has taken 7, AV scan has taken 38. So stopwatch is running, this is scanning, I'll be back in a bit. Hi guys, we're back. It's scanned 35,484 files and it's taken 4 minutes and 28 seconds, so it's quicker than the AVG one. And you see we're now in idle. We're going to check the resource usage. AV GNT is taking 1.5 meg, AV guard is taking 6.5 meg. So they've just got 2 processors here. So what I'm now going to do is uninstall Avira, install Avast, but it will ask to reboot on restart. So once it's restarted, I will resume this video. So see you in a bit. Hi guys, we're back. Stopwatch is being reset. You're welcome with this screen once it's rebooted. We've installed Avast. Once it's rebooted, it asks you have 60 days to do a registration. The other 2 don't ask you to do that. So when you press OK, blue Avast icon is spinning and irritating me. Press OK. Whatever this means, it generates to gather information about your programs. We just want to be able to scan it, if you don't mind. Start Avast. Enter your license key, demo. Wow. So this is testing the memory and startup. So this isn't actually scanning, and this is still spinning. Hopefully, eventually it will load something. We just need it to scan. Please scan. No, don't give me a help file. Just give me a scan. Set of last scan not done yet. We need a button to scan it. Move the media. This button's to point areas. Can't seem to find the scan button. Play. No scan area selected. C drive. Standard scan archive. Play. Here is scanning, so we'll do a task manager. And we've got ash. So we've got 5 different things. 38 meg, 10 meg, 1 meg. An update service looks like Avast setup 22 meg and 580k and 1.6. So it's now scanning. I'll be back in a tick. Hi guys, we're back. It's scanned 12,022 files and it took 2 minutes and 56 seconds to do the scan. We're now going to close this, and it's still running. We're going to find out how much resources it's taking. We've got ash disk but 2, 1, 10, 18 and 1 and a little bit there. So that's all the things that this Avast is taking. And that's about it really. So I will add up all the stuff and put it in the description, and you can compare for yourself and see which one you like the look of. Thanks for watching my video. If there's another one that you like, I think there's Casper Spy and things like that, but I don't think they're free. Then again, leave a comment. What do you think? Which one are you going to start using now? Have you changed your mind on your antivirus software? Let me know, and don't forget to comment and rate, and if you like my videos, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.